Hello, Let's Conquer It family. Today, in this short video, we'll try to learn the trick to remember RDA 2020 for vitamin C. Before going into the trick part of the video, we have to know the unit in which this particular nutrient is measured. Vitamin C is measured in terms of milligrams, that is mg per day. To make it easy for you people to remember vitamin C values, I thought I'll give you a small picturization. So, in that picturization, imagine yourself sitting inside a beautifully decorated cafe on a sunny day. You thought it will be so good if I could have something cold to drink because it is so dehydrating outside. So you ordered a lemon juice. But you did not see the menu card that time. But after you ordered, you saw the menu card. And in the menu card, lemon juice was given as 80 rupees. You got shocked. But though now you cannot cancel the order because it takes only 2 to 3 minutes to make lemon juice. Now stop the story. Let's come back to RDS. I told you 80 rupees because men ka vitamin C requirements is 80 mg per day. Now let's go back to the story. You have ordered it, now you cannot cancel it, but you start thinking ki usually lemon juice is only 15 rupee, 20 rupee, no, but here they are taking so extra money. Now let's take that 15 rupee, which usually is the lemon juice price. We'll minus that 15 from 80. 80 is the vitamin C requirement of normal men for all the physical activity categories irrespective of that, and from that 80 we'll minus 15. 80 minus 15 will get 65. This 65 is the vitamin C requirements of non-pregnant, non-lactating women irrespective of what physical category they belong to. So women ka requirements kitna hai? 65. Now to get the pregnant women's requirements, you can remember it in two ways. Either you can add plus 15 to this 65, or else you can remember that men and pregnant women ka vitamin C requirements per day, it is the same, which is 80 mg per day. Now let us go into the vitamin C requirement of lactating women. To get that value, we are going to add 50 to the 62 that we already have in hand. 65 plus 50, how much are we going to get? 115. This 115 is a vitamin C requirement of a lactating woman. Now remember one thing here. If you compare the vitamin C requirement for any age group, any physiological category, it is the highest for lactating women. I'll tell you why. Breast milk, human breast milk is a very, very good source of vitamin C for the baby. That is the reason why the mother has to consume a lot of vitamin C in her diet so that the baby gets vitamin C through the breast milk to improve immunity in the baby's body. You can remember this also so that you can answer this question also if in case it comes as a 1 mark question in your exam. Now let us go into the next category. As of now, we have remembered 4 values. One is for men, which is 80. Next is for women, it is 65. Then it is for pregnant women, which is the same 80. And then we have come to the lactating women, which is 115. Now let us go back to the next category in infants. In infants, there are 2 different categories, 0 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. To get the requirements of a 0 to 6 months old baby, let's again go back to the 80 rupees lemon juice. We are going to divide that 80 divided by 4. We are going to divide it by 4. So 80 divided by 4 हमें कितना मिलेगा? 20. This 20 mg is the vitamin C requirement of a small baby 0 to 6 months old. Now to get the requirement of 6 to 12 months old, we are just going to add 10 plus 10 to that 20, which gives us 30. 30 mg per day is the vitamin C requirement of a 6 to 12 month old infant. Now let's go into the next category. Next category is children. Again, there are 3 different categories in this. 1 to 3 year old, 4 to 6 year old, 7 to 9 year old. 1 to 3 year old ka requirement is the same as a 6 to 12 months old baby. So we are just going to write the same here, which is 30. And to get the 4 to 6 year olds requirement, we are going to just add plus 5. 30 plus 5, 35. We got it. Next, in order to get the requirement of a 7 to 9 year old, we are going to add plus 10 to that 35, which gives us 45. So 30, 35, 45. This category is done. Now the next category, that is from 10 years old. We already know that from 10 years old the requirements of boys and girls change. So let us go into that part. 45, again we are going to add plus 10 to that. We'll get 55. This 55 is the vitamin C requirement of 10 to 12 year old boy. Now what we are going to do, since the children have become big, instead of adding 10, we are going to add 15. This 55 plus 15, we get 70. This 70 is the vitamin C requirement of a 13 to 15 year old. To that 70, if we add 15, we get 85, and this 85 is the vitamin C requirement of a 16 to 18 year old. Now we have got the requirements of, and one more thing, to get the requirements of a 16 to 18 year old girl, what we are going to do is we are going to minus 15 from this 85. Up tak we were doing plus 15 plus 15, but in this case, to 16 to 18 year old case mein, to get the girls requirements, we are going to minus 15. 85 minus 15, which gives us 70. Now we have just two values left in the 10 to 12 year old is left, 13 to 15 year old girls requirements are left. To get those values, it's very simple. We are just going to minus 5 from what we already have in the boys category. 55 minus 5, we get 50. 70 minus 5, we get 65. Alright, now please remember one thing. These tricks, whatever tricks that I am giving you regarding RDS, they might sound absurd the first time that you listen to them, but then it will eventually make sense for you, because it's impossible to remember these things as just numbers. We have to have some kind of a story, some kind of a relationship, that so that we are able to remember all these values properly, because we already know at least one question is pakka going to come from the RDA values. And if you are aiming for GRF, it is wise to read all the nutrients and not read just the important ones. So stay tuned with us. A few more nutrients are left in this series, RDA memorizing series. We will launch it in a matter of 1 to 2 days. So stay tuned with us on YouTube in order to know all the tricks that you have to learn to know RDA 2020. Thank you.